All right, so the markets are gonna open up pretty soon. So I'm actually in a trade from last week and I'm floating in profit. Stop loss it's at break even, so I'm safe. So I'm gonna show you basically the chart breakdown if you're new to my channel. But what I wanted to share with you is basically how I got into day trading. Basically, I was a struggling marketer, a freelance marketer, and I saw some people always walking into the office. I shared a little office in a co-working space, and basically I was just making money. I was hustling, getting clients here and there, but it started getting a little slow. And I always saw these day traders come into the office, and I was like, hey, what do you guys do? And they're like, hey, we day trade, we trade Forex. And so I was intrigued, you know, it was like a young, vibrant, energetic kind of group. And come to find out, they're an IML. So IML is a network marketing group, but I didn't know anything about the network marketing aspect of things. It was just day trading for me. So I really got hooked into it. And, you know, I think I was a part of the group for like a couple of months, but what I realized was as soon as I learned this skill set, it's never gonna leave me. You know what I'm saying? It's always gonna stay with me. You know, after I dropped off and, you know, continued to learn and everything, I followed some other people around. They taught me a little bit more. That's when everything started kind of getting really hard for me because I was still struggling with the marketing and stuff. So I decided to start Ubering. So I was Ubering, doing marketing and everything. And, you know, I couldn't afford to put a lot of money because I still didn't even know how to trade. So basically, you know, I started just dabbling here and there, putting 500 bucks in there, putting $1,000 into my trading account. And I was blowing my account, of course. But now, fast forward 6 years, I'm consistently in the markets, I'm seeing results, and that's why I'm doing challenges now, right? So I can actually share how it's actually possible. There's prop firms available now. So there's much more opportunity these days compared to how I started and when I started. They got Trade Locker now, which is a much easier platform to trade on. Yeah, so that's my story. I definitely wanted to just share that with you because I think there's a lot of people out there who have similar stories. I would recommend anybody out there that's struggling, maybe they've been doing it for like 2-3 years, I would recommend just don't give up and keep going. We also got Sunday market breakdowns at 4 p.m. Pacific time today, so looking forward to meeting all the members in the Discord group. The market is pretty volatile, so I'm looking forward to seeing my trade continue to the downside. But yeah, there's a lot of opportunities this week coming up, in my opinion, so I'm excited to just check them out again, look at the charts, break them down, and make some money. Gonna go pretty light today, control movements, keep it moving. Today's gonna be a quick workout. Yesterday I did a full body, so we'll keep this one light, real consistent, keep my heart rate up, keep it moving. It took 5 years, and basically I lost a lot of money. I failed a lot of prop firms. I made a lot of mistakes, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of traders that have the YouTube channels and everything, it's real, you know what I mean? Because I'm starting to realize I'm saying the same stuff that they're saying. And for me, I'm naturally kind of like pessimistic, so I don't really trust people, especially on YouTube. There's all these gurus and everything. But if somebody's been doing something for over 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, there's a reason why they're saying certain things, right? If you watch a lot of traders and you're starting to hear the same thing over and over and over again, it's probably because there's some objective truth to it, right? So would I recommend just going all in and buying someone's course from the first video you see? Probably not, but I would recommend taking that objective truth and doing some due diligence to figure out who you rock with, right? You could have a price action trader that has the same strategy as you, and maybe they have a little bit more edge, but maybe they're an asshole, or maybe they're too cocky. Maybe you're not like that. Maybe you have more of a laid back kind of personality. So you would rock with somebody else that has that personality, you know what I mean? So That's all I gotta say. Quick update on my flip account, only up $262. We see that price kind of broke up above the structure. This kind of looks like an impulse move because it's really early, not even Asian session yet. So hopefully this is an impulse. It starts respecting this area and then continues to float down. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Another bounce over here, wicked up. That's when we got stopped out a while ago, respected, came below, and then again right here where current price is. So based off of that data, the exhaustion happening right now, price coming lower, let's wait for volume to kick in and hopefully it continues bearish, so that way we can make our money on this short. Feel good too once it's all set up and you got your screen and stuff. It's gonna feel official. You're gonna put your jersey back on and wear number 45. All right, so it looks like it's going back up to this level. So I'm gonna take my little $100, literally was up $900, but let me get this capital really quick. Close position, and let's start back over. I'm gonna get into another entry, but I just wanted to add a little bit of capital to my account. So 315, look, price is literally still shooting up. So most likely I would have got stopped out before the continuation to the downside. Who knows if price is going to continue down. Now it's broken multiple levels and it's looking very bullish. So fuck that.